Land Media GH Eweke Kwe Nusubia Shaya Homeland Media GH Obaloko fantastic show Makewe Oba Fanisa Obawo Eweke Kwe Efia Onyele Asamoaja Iku Arisia from Aya Homeland Obawo Heke
for Homeland Media GH Sunay. Mr. Fantastic show. We are tuning in on fantastic show. Say the DBI, no, and then the legend can see how that's we active and every make us an man chairman. Moment chairman sana ya twa Jumadini so. I reform chairman. Said the modern support a support to program ya my program we do send it. And then the Pamaniano no. Or Bobo Gano, or Quamon, or national teams in Abbey, or Bocotoko. When Bessedia said, "Me and me money." I mean, what's here on why didn't floor run? Was I a senior? Tim or boy, me Bobby, high school boy, me Kobe, or no other can natural senior. I'm right. The point is that I don't catch him. So, Johnny, I be a Johnny, I service. Yes, I was Yamiano Boko, I was a family say, Piano, nice one. Near Casa Francis Aquafo. Francis Aquafo, one. Around the result here, chair for near chair football of the fast. Francis Aquafo will be an or Fukumasi. Our Ghana new Fukumasi, Yaono Swami. I started football no Anoche Stars. The Anoche Stars now at the Kopi High School. What we said credit. The Union started, Electronia started international his own chance. If I start off it, we are Masia or starting a ball Masi. And I am a boy, Yabinya Niga, Nipa, in but nearby Anoche Stars in the near Francois, Zana, then them the affair. Aquafone the infants got to go for any dear Maya, you do ya you see and use money aquafone because as Francis Neddy and also Aquafona who wants a particular player in the FN aquafone. Okay, senior. What cacra, we ain't sure education level. I ain't financial say school, school cacraswa, Oko drew here. So we tell my voice is like crazy over me. Okay. Bante, me go school, Mr. Holy Spirit. Kandagati, I'm starting at the Holy Spirit. We did Christ to and I'm called to us St. Peter's Cathedral, Romania. So I'm starting and we JSS. Near to the young old JSS. And the JSS not the core high school, Kumasi. And the Kumasi and my Bonana, you bought enter school so Milo or stadium, and I got to go for no more picky place. The Yamia Dama, I'm up the game. High school near 3 and on the key. The Bushia, William Thompson, Patrick Dudu, Yakubu, Sekwami Junior, Niba, Kwaduboku, Bushia, Santi, Yaona, Yerestati, Kotokono. And Omufa junior team. Also, Namin and I'm captain of junior team. Dear Bob Kolabana, yesterday, you call now Omakubo Senior, a granoa by Chica Clan, Sunny ANT 2004. I don't know where it's died. I'm a Mako Senior. But then only in your chance, and nearby, Abia, friendly matches near Bia, but bench Kakra, Bia tournament Galabi, and a boy, and Timunana. Yes, your chance by you started 2006 and you started national team. Because the owner can crown started high school and education SS3 Form 3 and Satanora, and you baby school, I got to go for Peking, because I'm going to Suka, and I'm the Kotokonusa. Satan Oba Kotokono, who spending how many years ever Santi Kotoko?
Protocol the MZ over time is the longest player because 11 years.
Wow.
11 years I'm on.
Spending 11 years. What's been the league with Kotoko?
Yeah, I'm in the league 2 times. 2003, 2 times. But then Kai, I say 2 times. Not me regular. I should be 4 times. And coach Zito time. And ona beto aso etwa Zito za ana afane beto aso. But the side team near northern and southern sector. And yes, we energy hand detachment. Time energy. Any house for football. Champions of champion and house for share. Or Accra. And say league the MJ3 and a top 4 ni FA Cup ni Gala so and also GGP and a top 4 so we go king uma anti nyamia ya 11 years me trophies be verse be 9
yeah trophy cabinet more fair
nyamia don't
discount to a local league
yeah you go outside so the best player of the team
top scorer and you free Kotoko no my Musa say Kotoko be our first match
yeah my first league match
competitive match because when guys in 2007 that no about Kotoko I check at mobile so it do I'm over share only general over our first match
my first league match and I'm my first competitive match in Togo international friendly match Togo for me boy Bono Kumasi Sports Stadium and we are Medendor and maybe share James said 12 but league match I'm a boy I say Azakes Sata Nako to Kobo Vodafone Vodacom or South Africa to the juniors in Michigan but I know the Mamu but number bench and Sana Zito Mubama Yabobo Liga and Malik Jabemo and maybe a Liga and on the first competitive match I'm a boy
no first match no boy no pressure bar also who say
I ran to the university man sad me move that because of Nuna me one because of Potkonuna because new woman ya me ko chiche balls that me junior team it me feel no US in the feel no spirit no it me that me eager say me pet body there abo it na me bomb pass me some chance na ma I know there me sure say Libya basa say woman na bisa me dey go am na Libya na me press me nya matches abona me so ma Jimmy need say there amount for the job me say you be hu ni the end that me be talk so grada
so the obviously when you be abon wa jail say the wa jidin wa Ghana they say Ghana for be obi enu we din kwede from na we be din from how the club nti yem free Kotoko no o free Kotoko ko team me
free Kotoko me ko Nika Libya and we friend the hard no more Benghazi me ko and me sign 2 years no 3 years 3 years na me sign no first 3 months Nana Gaddafi top ani ede isi ya nti me obia mo breaking football Libya nti me sa Ghana me ba Ghana no 1 month no na nya Egypt Etihad sa 5 years or nti na boy Etihad me bona ana also mo breaking I say akasa ba to bi no breaking kana team bisa o Libya if El Nasri no mo Champions League on Jimmy loan free team no and yes Sakobo your Champions League na but you do semi final and on a free and my Sabah team back for Etihad and ball 5 years now I'm signing but with the army call me ball season national Egypt season I'm ball team but outside no but yeah Mr. Free Egypt no boy in Misako Finland kakra but I know agent ni team can agent
and it's funny saying we free Kotoko spend about 5 years or close to 6 years or outside close to 7 years or outside and also back
and Mr. back to Ghana but Ghana buy my more team because me back Ghana me say me go din komo and the me team and I got to call reading Comunana and last issue also a band to move breaking league, after no master here. Yes, so reading Como about it.
to over now you're free player now
because we have contract. If you say me free player, I can't leave BBI. I go to man sign the team now Egypt, no person sign. But not offer Biaba. Offer me buy no me Mr. President contract. Pre-contract and me sign no and team now me sign a coaching on permanent. And only team Kazakasa no edit. Team coach for buy no so the players are no pay even say one information and on the maintenance of my team na me sign na me so because me sign with team no so afa on for 3-4 minutes oh team no ma 5 it dey ma me ba
and say na what back Ghana unya team bia o expect say team bia team I'm put to say teams be no wakasa
this is your
after Anas video no BBS and on Marshall League na team be no wakasa
me am team
so we to my boys like that
me team protocol kasa and the chief friend on Malaysia but me am kasa we ana one more we go mobile the team strength so na my friend my friend present ball premium no na graduation but no me say me go for personal reason because me catch up so mama me time ka me here me dream sanity
nkoto kono bi ntina mo antimi akasa no sika na sika sama na se e dey na nko yi ntem antimi akasa
ko bi yes sika yes e kasa na ai Anas win by nti ma league no mo ka se mo go Africa nti mo wi but nipa coach na no na opemelo e si ni yeye o free and it's a coach for so by so pushi o ni men ko na so mo say ase me for so say see nipa no hiawa ono be din ko disability
they say o fi no we train we fit a team be basis here say o pe say Francis Akwafo on his old performance no person will be foul why you ready so we go Ghana League in CC
Arante me bia me ubizam se me mbo ba me ka se me mbo se fetch so me agro ne efo ana dia me su mi afi se ye mo ne ye de ye nhwe mi ndo manu o de se o de se pitch so me ana pass ball ne ye bo e ball ne ye bo nti o de bo ne ye hwe se o be ka se okay memra training say training me be hwe selection ana trainer coach ne be pick nti me ubizam se me mbo ana se metimi aba me nkasa o de ma me mbetrai ne ye hwe me nkasa metimi aya na metimi ye kona metimi ya wa bo ye kona metimi ya so a wa bo
only time to sa question because Ghana will dey buy every decade because so several got to go mele years and grant na would Ghana so ball check deep after 10 years no am for in the blow can you want me more sense in time to question man say o mo better see how you ready to meet me abo we me know ya we get chance now young we are from high school be 14 15 years obi two in be 15 years be
no plan na can because maybe na me go share go pap na to sana na ma share chama teze papa bi ne young guy me hu aseme ya meti aso se Akwafo to na papa say mu ade on ye na me di yan Akwafo ne small boy obi o ba tu din ba o mu se edin ne su chen obi mu ne edin ne su chen ni mu ni pa bia na awere ana me so sa onyini woni me de mu abamba obi obi na ba se wonyini a ball no ne ye bo enye age e ball ana o mo ai bia o ka se e bia me ya din te o ka se me nyi who are in the starting who of course starting ya those dey one year team ke se ndia mo ma ya team din tem ndu be dey se woni ai o be dey se me chen but pitch no so e dey mo ball anka o se for buy o ba go to no ni e isu ba o na na e ball ni na du mo no ni e me on but o bobo a o dun se o bra o so usu no wa bi ni kura no o ntimi nye enti e di dey you only say chance and panya to make me a bobo place ni bi ni o mo ball Ghana o mu nya chance bia samone ni pa say voice from bobi no Omunyina chance them of football. But you bomb with the CI Munya chance them. Like a Fuswapia. I say, go to dinner, but whom so dinner, no any premier or more go premier this year. Or one in chom, and now on body in crying a chain or more we bomb with you. The Ghana for no yen a binum and a pay when you know. But when you know a pet soon, you can't boba, Jordan by or boba, no more Musu or young grand woman. You say Jordan being a suchum. It's the end of my Ghana born, the Quafa year. The Vegas winning Ghana. But no, I could buy the best player. Maybe I could buy the best players. All the Champions League. The only kill football.
Next, like I said, league is so many experienced players like more time, I'm a bomb. And what they do, and when we make us winning, when they feel of Ghana, because when you say Ghana, every players no yet age so, but me say no present no pray because him na me wo.
Na ni baba one wo.
Ah, I need to be busasa.
Me age 30 years.
Okay. 30 years. There's obobo na che, obobo na young. 2 years already so obobo.
Me already say me obobo, but me nka say me tinya ya na me tinya. The family me ko bobo no. Me dem
so bet me abo. I prefer na sometimes supporters na sometimes some hard me. The age hard because 30 they are young. 30 they are young. E football bet me abo pay 8 years account. Okay, you free as national team. Who you any color e national teams?
Yeah, I went from 17 to local blaster in the other my go. I'm a main one na your friend. Under 17, the boy, Duncan Tam of friend. Under 20, go to Tia of friend. Under 23, under 23.
But senior, I'm so between my boys, I possibly clear.
Yeah. Under 17, Duncan. Under 20, Tia Under 23, I took a few. And a local blaster, called boy. Ninyana, mama ye bobi ya nyame ada ma de bo ye bobi nti me okotonde nya chance ni bobi ya ono na chenti ma
that's all national teams in 17 20 21 22 20 and then local blaster kai tournament akọ ya
ye bo qualify but tournament ye qualify no e local blaster you say qualify na otokoni e boli nti sata mo ko na me ya she me Sata mamodi be the man who could do Bokumo and it's still a mobile. But yeah, qualify.
Born dear, senior, Unimbo, question ready. Tuma amount for almost a Unimbo. Sometimes question on Tuma. Moment for me, to be at the name of a draw football.
Bro, a draw football man, it depends on the pan, so GD. Me njia drone obi ojidi ba me hu se ma bo teams bia mfa se kotoko me Ghana kotoko kwa na me bo mfa se omo me bo en na yo kotoko die loan corners e be loan ba ni junior team njumba se kotoko an ma bo sa wow we be team obi be ma se bia o no believe but on din dia en command me e bia o di mami ana o di ma team no se enye na o ye ni e sha me mfa memfa asedane ma de ma minyame ntime ena anhye so a de ma minyame na me se ade nyina mu yemfa asedane ne ma me menji sa de ni but obi gidi
na se de o kan no me tu aka se o so nkwadro so da
da covid me mpa bo me bobo a e bo me mpa me mpa pa idike o Emmanuel Asame so ko me ma be so obi a true Christian. Whether Muslim or Christian, we see never because we quite a plane, we found bus. In your crack on and what could do.
Okay. And therefore, Homeland Media GH so anyway, show is definitely fantastic show. Media and Mr. Fantastic. Question I do know. And no tea na mafa dwuma de ato me so say me se me push Ghana football ni ehwe players ni yi enjo mo kai se de be o muntu kwan enko Lebanon Kuwait enko bobo sa question na fe na madru so mo ma senior nya no ma be senior obobo Ghana what to kwan utu kwan no abobo Ghana difference wo
bebre
Mathieu
eso pa bebre because one e boko toko check send music Ghana first no o we can be onim go to come pa me can because if I'm free junior team na bobo 11 years ma bache ana even kotoko kra na me pa say Ghana o na best time mu chance ka kese no me say outside here che on yes other teams no makana even kotoko na best o ma players ni di o Ghana and supporters tuma etimi o ye on ba etimi nya chede free e o Ghana pa me say outside here che and no so o kwa outside no I say so kotoko now 100% akwa outside akwa 200% because enti say o bon mo kru one pass I didn't show to my power on mo because bia me kotoko no beje no dey ama me ma twetwe me twetwe a ese ya be sa attack am but hono o twe a o say attack because it ni afa foreigner o twe attack one Egypt with the Egypt example na me nya lances na ka be fam ko tuni me nya lances me nya ka me ameka tin na de ma nya apartment no e look as so wa o ma e ma o yere ono yere apartment e ma ba dan two kids training just who short who long who the obeshe who bomaja e ma just e no kwa e ma just be 5 ubetimi a change first up o change second half boot ade ball no kura no pitch a ball no so ball a ball Ghana ye ball wake up no but they be use meter since I'm fit control meter no je be anya current one e be before but wake up ye could be Egypt on call wake up an African cup on ba be a boss na e dey mo no mo dey member teams ni dey train ye dey ball but Ghana ni ye could be but issue old meter ball na ye ball minimum they see the almost Sunday and who say design it down as but in meter it's done because ana the way we see it pure Ghana and you see different because Ghana me sure say Ghana anka obi di 20 million kura na yenya ji omo je last kura 20 million obi na obi to kwanko Saliba no ana say yi so ko do say a country but obi an to kwanko obo mpa so bi na contract e see you baby the difference in there so far
no crane or can now. I want to make 2 questions. We have 2 minutes. They are 12 minutes. Football management. Now, me tabo na the countries na say come the teams ne train and as on the ball league. So me tabo what did say fine,
bro? And you me tabo. I'm the cup of nation. You know say
Jabulani by Jabulani was that one. Yeah, my country ni
Obia. What we qualify more Obia. I never more be said. Ma teams no ebia omo teams omo ball league e mo bia 10 no fanye training in case o player e for na shirt ma kwa o nya ball ni feeling ni bidada Egypt o me ye team no me o me 20 team bia o premier be mo 20 sana first division am 10 e bia second division am 5 ba Ghana ni be bia
question I say we there everyone because the enemy say you can't say born on the Ghana yeah the national team no for training yes
on mama before teams no e mama bi say mo panye training ba feel ball in case you from national team no cup of nations na wo mo born e feeling that and just say 2 days na 2 weeks na the mama say mo fa onye qualify and e bi akọ feel ball eso unya Egypt ne yenya sa Jabulani bia na no yesa de for Africa Cup no yellow ball bia say yellow green ball bisa Adidas enti Ghana de anyway
asi di agro kromia
esa komo Marcos for crowd coach 155 ni nyina ka adan metie ni nyina ka on Egypt no ye ibi ese ma Premier 10 First Division 5 ebi omo mo to so no na dey training
ese no we go buy you hu of mu esro na na
ma born sometimes ya kakra
nti entour management ni so Ghana say what say Okobobo Libya, Okobobo Egypt, Oko Finance, Kakla, yeah, you can try. Now, Ghana management now, it's a difference, won't be huge facilities, born in a different soon. But I am once still a year talent. Na then ye prayers no. What the kakao? Was he a job 20,000 krona? I was a quarter kromia, on to Kanko, Lebanon. But almost me but 2 prayers, but Mokoswa, Omokwa, be brain channel Masaba. Mentiasia, Medimia, ebe example. Kofi also J top scorer, Ewo Ghana, Oko Egypt, and channels Sabai. It didn't make prayers in Sababak.
I mean, sure. Also, make us say, we are told Kodia, you talk Kodia, I saw your double work. Say Ghana now obey no one. Oh, you're 400%. I saw quite, we are double work. Next, confuse you about player. Egypt and some of the Columbia Macora, the way Egypt ball was sitting. So one trade, one to pass for him. What I say. Nti ya kukawa sana na kwa style nti nimna make a choice o ye Ghana o ye 100% I so travel and Egypt kwa ko 200% because I so ye travel and sana ya kujua tu ama I say remember example mimi ko na Mr. Tiffy bench nti mi player ba ku di card 2 card ana e ka se mbo nti flow am boy no omunya bo bia mi shebe bia kwa mpese mo de mami me imagine say me bo aka team so enti yesu ye fa share ye place ye fa share team o bono Ghana 100% I so kwa volunteer o double say ne be a be team no be say papa ku nyo ko jidin o ji papa ku samoche be kwen mo ne atram mo kono yaro no na sa
oh good and see say no the prayers na omukwa no afutua what be more another more so yeah extra work say 100 na bow at least so 200 until 150
send me out make keep position because if you su go no ahiti wajo wai dada minim raising tia omode whether say bia no nya bi mo no afa but Egypt ombetimi agina ni ma bi even training kra no obono wan shigwa because go no me fa me ni mo bia na oka Ghana or J best go king but I'm in good team because of training no one goes no ma sign no try contract
okay yan management ase e wo Ghana say management no afutu ben ade be mo afutu ben because I say manage players ni no mutimi kakulu mu ya because management o man for me tia man for me almost say Herbert na professional football ba Ghana but we check it no sukrana or the buy na mo ase budget Herbert so no as still na nkoyi
but sometimes the nkoyi okay that time na better amma phone so aka so any man credit cabinet gradual now me sure say aka chairman was able to Sata maybe Ankabia between 50 million because I call my packaging ID no attract sponsorship so in the no come ana ye pen for nya say omoma ebia wadidin na bobo amode ebi show team say we obe pesca semu we dey wonyino we dey say you ene ma bon ko form what I say minim abrante di 50 years minim say abrante kunya park no so a dey say me ye oyema team ni gini no betumi ya me fa won ni age me fa won age mo bobo anke o place me bibia omo dey retire Rooney em say Ronaldo kura ni che Rooney we say Rooney also retire on both television but Ronaldo a boy Juventus and age mo Zlatan oba is similar or two goals but oba na nkra o intend do em dey me fa say your kotoko for self for buy na me sure self for na me yesha but oba on a book game on a control park na so fa you see on a man by man of the match ni she goals intend dey no market o show mu ya obi o 15 maybe am ni gina obi ni me obeka se onye chen e di obesi a hwe on ye
Zamne de wakama amame kwa goto ana sa management sen o de kotoko mu ni tuaye onye ni se kotoko so I almost say players bibri bu at 30 players 40 players onye ni se nko mu obe 25 26 players ko betime chuo kai then you su kotoko as a big team emfanye
good but
and I have to folk like onye ni se ebia players na ye teams ne sign no ana players ne doso on be so mucho bia so ka but sometimes pain so much I mean su kotoko has of folk name to some extent as good far like 25 26 players bia we need to go make at least minimum 2000 cities
around 25 26 one Ghana pitch in private miaba card bit miaba so any over 25 players make sure also youth team are strong already be supported because European boy faker now become Abia youth no Manchester team go for Rashford Marcus from youth na support yenya if you use them by say youth no to go for 25 one fair league ni be now that because if you play the card obi wo match very rusty the people anka wanya kra obi wanya kwa 30 bi only you for 30 again because minim teams in bebre omo Europa omo players do so ko Chelsea omo the players bebre am ma long abia na zi omo di so mfa so ye bande omo Abraham Tamiano omo ene sa odo emu na omo de omo ma long abia so fa so no be ye make sure you bet me aye bro you bet me aye ka say ma players no at least plan obia ta ni kura onye kesi kura ta ni but no so di ma